Good afternoon. This is John Harder, and making this video to show you how you can cash in on the crypto market. So I'm just going to share the screen here, and I'm going to go and I've selected a coin for this video, and just in CoinMarketCap. And so I'm not really going to necessarily go to the highest amount, but we could hear that would be nice to do because that would be some very quick cash. But I'm going to just go along the lower here and just kind of show you that you can still that we can still make some money even if it's not really in the bull run, as it were. Okay. So let me just start right here in this low spot. So that's what we'll do. Start here, and we're going to use $100, and then we'll buy some coin here. Okay, so, and we can buy this coin in that low spot at, the US dollar price, I would say at 17 cents, or 16, yeah, 16.5 cents we could buy. So we'll start with 100. And then we're going to buy, and it wasn't actually 16.5, it was less than that. It was, oh, it is, yeah, okay. All right, so 16.5 cents is what we're paying for that coin. And then we're going to just go up in here where it's a little higher, and we're going to sell it there. So now we can sell it actually at, is that 24, or does it go higher than that? Let's see. 24.7, 24, 23, yeah, I saw 24.7. So we'll just say at 24 cents. So we're going to sell, and we're going to sell at 24 cents. We made $45 from that deal, okay? Now, the next low, we could probably buy here. That's 19, and our high again here is 20. Yeah, that'd be worth it, yeah. So 19.7. 7. So I would say we'll just pay. We'll end up paying. We'll end up paying 20 cents. Okay, so we're going to buy again, and we're going to pay 20 cents for it. And now that was where did we start? We started here. So that was in here. Now we can sell again, and our high here is 24.7. So 24.7. So I think we can sell at 24.6 at 0.246. We can sell 0.246. And so now we have $178. We haven't quite made $100 yet. Okay, so, and that was from 2 purchases, 2 cycles, buy and sell, right? And so that was from there, and now we can buy in this low spot in here again at 1. I saw 19 something, 196 was 196. We can buy at 196 in here. So at 0.196. So I think I made a mistake. I think I did a sell order when I wanted to buy, and I had I had 185 coins, right? So we're gonna have to cancel that out, and we're gonna say 185, and then we're gonna buy, it was in here that we were gonna buy now. Okay, so I saw 197. It's there we go, 196. So yeah, so we'll buy at oops, 0.197 is what we're gonna pay, and so and then what we'll do is we're gonna sell it at this high here. Now, and you're probably wondering what are we doing, where are we going with this? But I will explain it a little more in detail at the end of the video. Okay, so let's just bear with me for a bit here. Now we're gonna sell at, it says 31.8, so we can sell at 31. And the reason I don't sell too high, it was 31.8, and so we're just selling at 31. Now the reason we've got to be careful that we don't sell it, we don't ride the price up too high, is that we don't want to end up at the tipping point, okay? Because that's a dangerous place. What happens is once you're at the tipping point where people start selling, you might not be able to sell, okay? And so that means you lose that entire cycle, okay? So now we'll just buy again in here, and so we can buy now at 27.9. We would be able to buy, okay? So 27.9 equals, and now what we're gonna do is we bought that down in here in this low spots, and now we can sell it. Oh no, it was this low spot, and now it would be up here. There's a high spot at 3.34, so we'll just say at 3.3. So we're gonna sell at 0.33. There we go. We so far made $344 from that 100. And now we're gonna go in here, we're gonna buy in this low spot again at 24 cents. Yeah, that's safe at 24 cents. We could buy at 0.24. And now what we'll do is our next sell is, well, we could sell here, but let's just have a look at whether it's worth it or not, because this high point here is at 33, and what do we got? What's the low in here? 32. It's not to say that it wouldn't be worth it. The high after that, there's a little spike here where we could, that's 37. Yeah, I think we're okay. I think, well, I don't know. It is so little of a gain. I'm just gonna sell it at the high, at this peak right here, which is 37. It's 37.6. So we should be safe selling it at 37 cents. Okay, so we're gonna sell at 0.37, and now we've made $538. Where were we? It was at this here point, so now we're gonna buy it down in here. Okay, buy it down in here at 31 cents. So buy at 0.31. And now our next sell is, what do we got? here we have a spike. It's 42.4, and but then the lower is 40. It's not that much, so it's hardly worth cashing in on that. So here, however, I believe it's worth it for us to do it, because here we can sell at 53, and we can buy again at, yeah, that's worth it, yeah. So at 53, we can sell. So at 53 cents. And look at that, now we have $907 from $100. And that's actually not a bad, that's just not bad at all. And it was at this high point here, so now we're going to go back into this low. And there we can buy now at 47 cents. So we're gonna buy at 0.47. All right, so our next sale is at this spike right up in here. And we can sell at 60 cents. Sell at 0.6. And look at that, we made 1,000 so far, $1,158. We started with $100. And now, of course, we can, what happens if we buy in here at 28, and what can we sell at? Yeah, oh, that's very well worth it. Yes, let's do it. Let's do it. So we're gonna buy at, we can actually buy at 26 cents. That's a very nice. Okay, so 0.26, and now we could sell on this high point here. Okay, it's a little, there we go. So 31.9. So we could sell at 31.7. I would say that would be safe. So we're gonna sell, and we're gonna sell at 0.317. So look, that gave us another couple of $100. And now our next purchase would be down here. We can buy down here at 20 cents. Okay. And now we could sell here, but I think our gain would just hardly be very much. It's not that much. Well, 33, it's 321, and we have a low in here of 27. That might be worth it. I think I'll just go up here. And again, we have a couple of little up and down, but they're not that big. So I think I'll just sell right here, which is at 51 cents. Actually 51.7 we can sell for. We can sell at 51.7. Oh, sorry, that's not correct. Okay, so it's 0.517. That's better. Okay. Well, there ain't much left here to do now. We could do one more here and gain a little bit more, but I think for the sake of this video, I think you get the point that we've been able to, now this is over the period of quite a bit of time though, because we started here. And mind you, the entire run here is in a bull market. This is in a bear market, okay? Because this is from June 18th, and we are still in a bear market now. None of this is in a bull market. And what we've done here is we have started with $100. We started with $100, and we started in June 28th. We started in June 28th, and we ran through till when we sold our last one here was in January 15th of 2019. So that was just a little bit ago. See, this is what we can do in these markets, and this is in the bull market, as I mentioned. Okay, so in my opinion, that's a pretty good profit. $3,600 that we made from $100. Now, of course, it took us from June 20th, what it was, I think, and so this was July, August. Well, it's about a half a year. It's about 6 months that we did that, but turning $100 into $3,651, I'd say that's a pretty good profit. I'd say that's a very good profit. And now this coin is called Chainlink. Okay, that's the coin I used, and that is this is what we can do in the cryptocurrency market. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can't really just go ahead and say, oh, now I'm making all this money here because we're following the trend up and down in the crypto. And you're probably saying, yeah, that's bullshit. Well, wait a minute here. Wait a minute here, okay? Because the reason I can make this video and be honest with you is the fact that we have data projections that show us what the prices are going to be when, which currencies, and so on, in the top 40 cryptos, okay? So, before you turn this into bullshit, just ask yourself the question that now, if you have access to the data that shows you what it's going to be, could you not do this? Absolutely, absolutely. So, there you go, okay? Now, the links are in the description if you wanna check it out more, if you wanna know more about what we're doing, how we're doing this, and all of that kind of stuff. But this here, my friend, is what's possible in the cryptocurrency market. Okay, all right, learn more from the links in the description. Thank you very much for watching.